This is Chad Sosby again with Prep Star Stats. We're here at Don Gablin Field, the home of the Wesleyan Wolves, and I'm here with Coach Shaheen and Coach Cantrell from Providence Christian, where we got a Region 5A matchup tonight between the two clubs. Guys, Coach, first Shaheen, we got a tight region game here tonight coming in. You know, Providence Christian coming in at 8-1, and you're 7-1. So, just a little bit about the matchup tonight in the region.
Yeah, I think the record's kind of, I know this sounds cliche, but they go out the door when Providence plays Wesleyan. You know, they're going to get our best, and we get their best every time, and it's fun. Coach and I are friends, and we enjoy playing each other just because we know it's going to be a good game, and our guys are going to compete, and you know, just playing at home, I would think would be an advantage, but it's not because they play well on this field, and but it's going to be fun, and it's two good teams, and it just adds to it that it's for first place at this point of the region.
Yeah, still got I guess what you would say, the second half of the region come up, and y'all play again next week, again for a matchup. So a couple things you're looking for out of your guys to go into this game and push you into the playoffs a little bit.
Well, as far as this game's concerned, we've got to put all three aspects of the game together. I mean, we got to hit, we got to field, and we got to pitch. And the games that we've lost this year, that we've dropped at least one of those aspects, if not two. And so if we're going to win today, we've got to be able to do all three things. As far as the rest of the year, you know, for both of our teams, we've both seen Holy Innocents twice, but there's two other teams that are really battling at the top that we're going to have to go ahead and face and beat them as well if either one of us are going to finish in the top two seeds in Kings Ridge and Mount Pisgah.
And we also have both coaches here again. Thanks for letting us come out here and do this. And obviously both schools, y'all have history of playoffs. And I just want to, since both of them, I'll ask both of you while you're here, just kind of take me, you got, you know, 3 state championships, so take me into where you think this team is compared to those. And I know it's hard to compare teams, but where are you at this year, do you believe?
Well, we're hitting well, and we've played as tough of a schedule as we've ever played. But, you know, when it comes down to the playoffs, and Coach I know will agree with me, it comes down to pitching, and our pitching hasn't been very good right now, and our guys know that, and they need to step up. If our pitching can get better, then we could make a little bit of a run, but those 3 teams over there under the scoreboard were very good teams. You know, last year we had 3 senior pitchers that pitched complete games. We didn't use relievers last year, and the 2 teams before that could hit the ball out, had, you know, 70+ home runs a year. So I don't know if we can quite compare our guys to that yet. We're only 2/3 of the season in, but if we can kind of get some pitching, we might be okay. But we'll find out tonight. We're playing a good hitting team, and we'll find out if our pitching can hold up. And I know our guys are geeked up for it, but we'll see.
Yeah. And Coach Cantrell, too, you've run some deep teams deep in the playoffs, so just a little bit about the same thing.
Well, I don't really know what to expect as far as the playoffs this year. We've got a talented bunch, but it's an incredibly tough draw this year with our region. Only the 1 seed from our region is guaranteed even a home series, and then the 3 and the 4 both have to play a pre-round even before the first round of 32. And whether you're 3 or 4, you're matching up with Hebron real early or with Aquinas real early, who are sitting 1 and 2 in the state right now. So it's a lot to be looking for a deep run in the playoffs from anybody right now. But you know, we hopefully we can get on a roll at that point in time and make a little run like we have a few times.
Okay, again, this is Chad Sosby with Prep Star Stats, and coaches, I just want to thank you for your time, for the time to be out here, and good luck this evening during the matchup.
Thank you, appreciate it.